Watch and learn how to submit a warranty claim via the AfterSales Portal. Log into the Festo website. At the top right, you will find the personal area. Go to Create New Request and start a repair request or warranty claim for your ordered products. Enter the product number, product key or your order number and the order period. Filter products. You will get an overview of the applicable orders. Further information appears via clicking on the arrow. Click on Warranty Claim. Specify the reason for the complaint and how many products are affected. Describe the problem. Depending on the reason for complaint, attachments are optional or required. We recommend that the reason for the claim is always represented by documents or photos. Indicate the condition of the product and whether it is contaminated. Then define how you want to proceed with the claim. And how we can contact you. Before you submit, your specified data will be displayed in an overview. Check it. Then send your warranty claim. You can view the status of your request at any time under My Services.